Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a set of unique shield icons by Snoophead DuckDuck, 10 short audio loops by Golly Games, an MV and MZ plugin by Takeshi Sunegawa that allows us to replace tiles with events, an MZ plugin by NZ Prism that allows showing pictures behind and in front of the menu status window. Next, we have a tool by Axiom that allows us to take notes in a free-form way. Basically, it gives us a blank canvas where we can zoom around and double-click anywhere and start typing. A monochromatic tileset pack of an island exterior by Anime Now. Some Art Deco borders for designing our game's UI by Pipo Spatz. And lastly, Pixel Game Maker MV now supports developing games for Nintendo Switch. For context, Pixel Game Maker MV is a sister game engine to RPG Maker designed for making 2D action and platformer games without needing to program. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.